Ducky says, let's learn veggies. Woo! Duckies. Quack, quack, I'm Ducky bright. Waddle with me morning light. We'll learn veggies one by one. Learning names is so much fun. Carrot is orange, long and sweet. Bunnies say it's fun to eat. Potato hides beneath the ground. Mash it up, it's soft and round. Tomato red and round and small. Juicy, tasty, best of all. Cucumber is cool and green. Crunchy snacks, fresh and clean. Spinach leaves are soft and light. Makes us strong with every bite. Cauliflower looks like snow. Big white head with leaves below. Peas in pods go pop, pop, pop. Green and round, they never stop. Onion rings can make us cry, but they flavor food, oh my. Eggplant purple, shiny, bright. Cook it soft, it feels just right. Capsicum is red or green. Spicy crunch in every bean. Ducky quacks with veggie cheer. Eat your greens, my dears, my dears. Healthy foods help you grow tall. Veggies are the best of all.